District level practice paper exam 4 solutions. Okay, now choose the correct answer. Now the first question is, if 13 into sine theta is equal to 12, then cosec theta is equal to. Now I am going to write sine theta is equal to 12. This 13 goes to the denominator, and cosec means it is a reciprocal of a sine. So 12 by 13, cosec I can write it as a 13 by 12. So the correct answer is D. Okay. Now secant square A minus 1 is equal to, there are 4 options. There is a formula, 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. If this 1 goes to the right hand side, it will become minus. So what is left here? Tan square. So the correct option is tan square A. The ratio of sine theta from the given figure. Now there is a theta here, so this will become opposite side and this will become hypotenuse, because sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So it is 1 by 2. So the correct answer is option A. Now the last one. In triangle ABC, if angle B is equal to 90 degree, tan C is equal to 1, then tan 45 is the right answer, because tan 45 is 1. Answer the following question. All these are 1 mark question. Okay. So in the given figure, this, if angle PQR is 90 degree, then the value of sin R by cos R. First let me write sin by cos is tan. Now it is at R. So what is tan? It is opposite upon adjacent. So the answer is 12 by 5. Okay. So this will become opposite side and this is the adjacent side. Now sixth question. The value of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2. So half plus half is 1. So seventh question. If sin theta is equal to 3 by 5 and cos theta is equal to 4 by 5, then sin square plus cos square. So what is sin? It is 3 by 5. So let me write a square. What is cos? 4 by 5. So I'll write 4 by 5 square. 3 square is 9. Okay. Plus 4 square is 16. Fine. And 5 square is 25. Since both are same, so I have written like this. So 16 plus 9 is 25. So 25 by 25. So the answer is 1. Solve the following question. All these are 2 mark question. So 8th question is, if sin theta is equal to 12 by 13, then find the value of cos theta. So let me draw a triangle first and I'll name it as a ABC. Okay, I'll consider this as a theta. So this will become opposite side, hypotenuse and adjacent side. So sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. So I'm going to write here 12 and here 13. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is 13 square and this is 12 square plus BC square. So 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144. I'm going to take on the left hand side. So BC square. So square root of 25 is equal to BC. So the final answer is BC is 5. Now they are asking what is cos theta. Now what is the formula for cos theta? Cos theta means it is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side? It is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. So this completes your 8th answer. Now 9th question is, find the ratio of a sin theta and a tan alpha from this given figure. Okay. Now I'm going to write here ratio sin theta by tan alpha. Okay. Now theta is at P. So this will become opposite side and this will become hypotenuse. So I'm going to write here 2 by root 5 because sin theta formula. Now tan alpha means this will become opposite side and this will become adjacent side. So it is 1 by 2. This 2 goes to the numerator. So it will become 2 2s are 4. 4 by root 5. So the ratio is, you can write it as a 4 is to root 5. Tenth question is, a child stands 30 meter away from the foot of the telephone tower. Assume that this is a tower. Okay. Now this is how much? 30 meter. Sees the top of the tower at an angle of elevation 30 degree. From here, he sees the angle of elevation as a 30 degree. So I'm going to write here A, B and a C. Find the height of the tower, means this much. So I can use tan theta. Okay. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 degree is equal to AB by adjacent is 30 meters. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 30 can be written as 3 into 10. So 1 by root 3 is equal to AB. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 into 10. Root 3 and root 3 get cancelled. So AB is equal to, if you multiply this, you will get 10 root 3 meters. So the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meters. Now 11th question is, the angle of elevation of top of a vertical tower on a ground level from the point at a distance of 9 root 3 meter from its foot on the same ground is a 60 degree. So let us consider this as a tower. This is 9 root 3 meter and angle of elevation is from here. So how much it is? 60 degree. So again I am going to consider A, B, C value. They are asking what is the height of the tower. So we need to find this. So this can be solved by taking tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan theta value is 60 degree. Opposite is AB and adjacent is 9 root 3. Okay. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AB by 9 root 3. Okay. If I cross multiply this, then I'll get 9 root 3 into root 3 is equal to AB. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 9 into 3 is equal to AB. 9 3 is a 27. So height of the tower is 27 meters. Now 12th question. Prove that cos A by 1 plus sine A plus 1 plus sine A by cos A is equal to 2 secant A. This is 3-mark question. So I'm going to take LCM for this. Cos into cos is cos square A, okay, plus 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A is 1 plus sine A square, and denominator part I must write 1 plus sine A into cos A. Okay, to solve this I am going to use A plus B square formula. A square plus B square plus 2AB. So this is cos square A plus I am going to write sin square A plus 1 square plus 2 sin A divided by denominator part as it is 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now again there is a formula, cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So here cos square and here sin square, so it will become 1. 1 square is 1 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Plus 2 sin A divided by denominator again as it is 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now I am going to take common. 2 is common here. Okay. So 1 plus sin A, denominator part is 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A get cancelled. So what is remaining? 2 by cos A. So 1 by cos is secant A. This completes your answer. Now 13th question is, a tower and a building are standing vertically on the ground level. So I'll consider this as a building, this as a tower, and this is the ground level. The angle of elevation of top of the tower. So this is the tower and angle of elevation, okay, from here on the same ground, and the tower is 7 meter height. If this is 7 meter, this is also 7 meter because the opposite side, okay. If the angle of elevation from the top of the tower of a building is 60 degree, okay, this is 60 degree. Now, and from the same point, angle of depression to the building to the foot is 45. If this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree because of alternate angles. Find the height of the building from here to here, okay. So I'm going to name it as A, B, C, D and E. So let me consider first this triangle. So triangle ABE. If I consider this triangle, so tan 60 degree, okay, opposite by adjacent. So it is AB by BE. Fine. Tan 60 is root 3. Now AB by BE. Now I'm going to consider this one now, this triangle, that is DEC. DEC, or you can write it as a DCE. DCE. Okay. Tan 45 degree is equal to DE by DC, that is opposite side by adjacent side. So tan 45 is 1. Now DE by DC. Now if I multiply this, so it will be DC is equal to DE. Okay. Now DE is how much? 7 meters. Okay. So DC also has become 7 meter. If this is 7 meter, then this also will become 7 because of parallel. Now DC is equal to BE is equal to 7 meters. Fine. Now in place of BE, I am going to write a 7. So root 3 is equal to AB by 7. So if I multiply this, it will become 7 root 3 meters is equal to AB. I have got AB value now. Now I need to find AC. To find AC, that is the height of the building, I need to add AB plus BC. AB plus BC. Now AB value is 7 root 3 plus BC is how much? 7. So if I take common 7, then it will be root 3 plus 1 meters. So this is the final answer. Fourteenth question, and this carries 4 marks. Okay, the angle of depression of a top and bottom of the building. Okay, this is the building. Already they have given the diagram. So 50 meter high, this complete building is 50 meter high as observed from the top of the tower. Okay, are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower, and that is this, and also find horizontal distance between the building and the tower. Okay, now if this is 30 degree, this is also 30 degree because of alternate angles. If this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, again it is alternate angle. If DC is H, then BE will become H. Okay, now AE will become 50 minus H because this complete height is 50 meters. Okay, now in triangle ACE, I am going to consider ACE. So if I consider this, then tan 30 degree is equal to AE by EC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to AE means how much? It is 50 minus H divided by EC. Now next I am going to consider ADB. Triangle ADB. Tan 60 degree. tan 60 is equal to AB upon BD. Okay, so tan 60 is root 3, AB is how much? 50 is equal to BD. So BD is equal to 50 divided by root 3 meters. Now as you know that these two are parallel, that is BD is equal to EC. So BD value is 50 by root 3, which is same as a EC. Now EC I have to substitute here 50 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 50 minus H. Here I am going to write 50 by root 3. Okay, if I multiply this, 1 by root 3, 50 by root 3 is equal to 50 minus H. Okay, now 50 ones are 50, root 3 into root 3 is 3 is equal to 50 minus H. Now minus H comes to the left hand side, it will become positive, and 50 minus this will become 50 divided by 3. Okay, 5 3s are 15, so it will be 150 minus 50. So the answer is 100 by 3 meters, or you can write 33.33 meters is the height of the tower, and BD is already how much? 50 by root 3 meters. That is the horizontal distance between the building and the tower.